Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Cellularline TUCK wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset on them. You might want to do this hard reset for a variety of reasons. If you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, or you're only getting sound out of one of the ears, or they won't connect to Bluetooth, or they won't connect to anything at all, or they keep disconnecting, or any kind of troubleshooting issues where they're not working properly, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. So all you need to do is, first of all, whatever device you have them paired to, you just want to unpair them, turn that Bluetooth off and have them forget the device. And then you need to reset these earbuds one at a time. So with them in the case and the lid closed, we're going to open the lid, take one earbud out, close the lid, and then put that earbud in our ear. And while it's in our ear, we're going to come behind and we're going to tap on the multifunction button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if we tap on it 5 times, it will say reset or resetting. Then we can take it out, open the case, put it away, take out the other one, close the case, put it in our ear, and do the same thing on the back of the other one. Tap 5 times on the multifunction button until it says reset. Put it back in the case, close the case, touch the button on the case, and the case light should actually blink. At that point, our earbuds are reset. We can go ahead and take them out and pair them with whatever device we wish.